Last month, I dropped one of the best 15-minute Polymarket strategies on YouTube. That video hit 10,000 views in the first 2 weeks, and I got flooded with DMs asking me to create more content. Since that video, Polymarket went ahead and launched a brand new 5-minute crypto market, the same exact concept, but instead of predicting every 15 minutes, you're predicting every 5 minutes. That means you can take 12 trades per hour, whereas before you could only take 4. That's literally 3 times the opportunities and 3 times the volume you can farm. So in today's video, I'm showing you how to find the top 5-minute crypto traders, how to track their wallets, and how to find exactly what edge they're using. And then at the end of the video, I show you 3 different strategies that the top Polymarket whales are using that you probably aren't. Without further ado, let's just get into it. So in order to track these Polymarket whales, we need to use a Polymarket terminal. There's a lot of shady Polymarket terminals, but the best one I've found is actually Bullpen. Their founder's literally Ansem, so you know it's backed by a large name. So if you also want access to the tools I'm using, I left links in the description. So the first thing we're going to want to do on Bullpen is head over to Wallet Scope. And you can see with Wallet Scope, we can basically see every trade that's being taken on Polymarket right now. Now, obviously, I have it categorized to just crypto markets, so now I'm able to see only the crypto traders. And what I went ahead and did is I actually filtered it by 100K P&L, meaning all these wallets right here have made over $100,000 on Polymarket. And pretty much all we have to do from here is click on their wallet, and you guys can see this guy is up $320,000. Now, obviously, we could just track his wallet, or we can do a deeper dive into his profile. This guy right here is trading long-term crypto markets. So you can see he's trading like February to March. This probably isn't the trader that we want, but let's say you are interested in trading the higher time frame crypto markets. You could pretty much be copy trading a wallet that has made over $300,000. But for example, I just found this guy right here. He trades a lot of 5-minute markets. You can see he's up almost 700,000 all time, and he's been on a crazy win streak recently. We could see literally just 10 minutes ago, he took this trade and made $6,000. And then basically all you have to do from here, if you want to start tracking these wallets, is just click the track button right here, and then it will pop up down here in your trackers list. And you guys can see I already tracked this wallet here, and you could just basically make a list and even add your own wallets. Now, by analyzing all these top wallets, I came up with my own strategy. Obviously, I won't share it on YouTube because the edge will completely disappear, but I can give you guys 3 tips that I've noticed while tracking all these top wallets. And obviously, you guys can go ahead and find your own strategy just by analyzing these wallets. It's really not that hard. Okay, tip number 1. We are never going to be taking 50-50 odds. We always want to be taking an edge in the markets. You can see right now, there's an 85% chance it closes down. This is something I'm willing to take. I'm never willing to take a 50-50 gamble because you're obviously just better off going to the casino. Another tip that I've noticed all of these top whales are doing is they're always waiting until the last minute or 2 before entering. Since a new market opens every 5 minutes, the odds can shift very quickly. I'm really never looking for any trades before the 2-minute mark because a lot can happen. Right here, this would be something I'd be willing to take because you can see there's a 90% chance of it closing down. Let's say I went ahead and bought this right now. We'll see how it plays out, but this would be the ideal time to buy. When the market shifts a little bit, rebalances at 90 cents, and then we can take the down and we can make a free 10% gain. And you can see just like that, if we were to enter there, we just made a free 10% gain. If we take 10 winning trades like that, super simple, we just made 100% gains. And the final tip I have for you guys is taking a deeper dive into the markets. What you can do is head over to TradingView and you're able to see Bitcoin's price in real time. You can see right here, Bitcoin fell very hard today and you're able to see every small candle. So this was the candle we were just betting on. You can see it closed red, so that means we won. These are the candles that we want to be taking trades off of. A tip that I'll give you guys is you never want to be betting on candles which are very, very small. You can see candles right here are super small and it's so easy for them to flip and you just lost all your money. Whereas candles like this, once you start to see that momentum fall, that's when you can take that trade. For example, here, we can see the momentum's already going downwards. Obviously, there's still 3 minutes left, so we're still not wanting to take this trade because the market can easily reverse this in, a minute. And yeah, guys, just like that, you see how it reversed that? That's why you always wait until the last minute. You can see the odds were super low here and everybody thought it was going to close downwards. And then just like that, it reversed. And now you can see it's super bullish. Since this candle's super green now, I would honestly be willing to take this. And you can see right now there's basically an 80% chance it closes green. this is something I'd be willing to take. Maybe if we can get a little dip to here, and if we could get like a 75-cent win off this would be something I'd be willing to take. But basically what I do is I just sit on the screen, I go over here, I wait until candles flip or they get a lot of momentum. I make sure not to take trades like this. And just like that, you can see we got a little dip here. This is when we could actually take our position. But obviously we're going to want to wait a little bit just to see probably that last minute and where the candle's heading. So you can see right here how quickly this candle could flip. That's not something I'm willing to take. Maybe if it goes back up to here, I'd be willing to take it. So just like that, I'd be entering right there. And you can see that would be around a 60% win. And just like that, we basically waited for the odds to flip once again. We got in at 60% and then we wrote it back up to basically 100% chance now. That's why this strategy is so powerful. When you wait until the last 1 minute, you're able to catch crazy flips like this, where everybody thought that the candle was going to close down over here, but then in the last minute, it flipped bullish. Okay, so just to reiterate, these are the 3 tips I would give you guys if you're new to trading these markets. First of all, wait until the last about a minute and a half before taking your trade. Never take a 50-50 gamble, and always take a deeper dive into the TradingView charts, and never take these very small candles which can easily flip on you and make you lose. Those are my 3 tips for making you a better 5-minute crypto trader. Hop into Bullpen and definitely deep dive into the wallet scope and try to find your own strategies that will work for you in the long run. Anyways, boys, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.